If you're planning a home renovation, you might be wondering, how are you going to pay for it? Whether it's a kitchen remodel or a bathroom upgrade or a full home renovation, financing can be a great way to make your dream home a reality without draining your savings.
Today, we're breaking down the 5 best loan options for home renovations right here on Long Island.
Let's dive right in. Option number 1, a home equity loan.
A home equity loan is also known as a second mortgage. This can be a great option if you've built up some equity in your home and you want to keep a fixed loan amount.
The 3 key features of a home equity loan are that it offers a fixed interest rate, which gives you predictable monthly payments. It also offers a lump sum payout to you, which is great for large projects. And lastly, the typical interest rates for a home equity loan are usually between 6 and 9%. So if you're doing a major renovation, like a home addition, this option gives you the stability of a fixed rate loan, making your budgeting that much easier. Option number 2, a home equity line of credit.
A home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC, works something like a credit card. It allows you to borrow what you need when you need it.
The 3 key features of a HELOC are, number 1, that it has a variable interest rate, which means that it's a lower initial rate, but it also fluctuates. Number 2, you could borrow the funds as they're needed, which is great for ongoing projects. And number 3, you only pay interest on what you use. So if your renovation is going to happen in phases, like updating multiple rooms over time, a HELOC will give you that flexibility. Just remember, since the rate is variable, your payments may go up or down over time. Option number 3, a cash out refinance.
If you're planning a big renovation and want to take advantage of low interest rates, a cash out refinance might be the way to go.
The 3 key features of a cash out refinance are that it replaces your existing mortgage at a new rate. It gives you the ability to access cash from your home equity, and it typically has a lower interest rate than personal loans. Basically, you refinance your home for a larger amount than what you currently owe, and then take the difference in cash. This can be a great option if mortgage rates are low, but keep in mind you're starting a new mortgage, so factor in those closing costs. Option number 4, an FHA 203K renovation loan.
If you're looking to buy a fixer-upper or completely transform your current space, the FHA 203K loan is designed specifically for those types of renovation projects.
The 3 key features to the FHA 203K renovation loan are that it's backed by the Federal Housing Administration. It also allows you to buy and renovate all on one loan. It also offers lower down payment and credit requirements. This is a great option if you're purchasing a home that needs work, or if you're tackling a large-scale renovation. Just keep in mind, there's more paperwork involved, and you'll need to work with an FHA-approved lender. Option number 5, personal loans and credit cards.
For smaller renovations, like updating a bathroom or changing out flooring, a personal loan or 0% APR credit card might be a good choice.
The 3 key features to using a personal loan or a credit card are that they have a quick approval process and that no home equity is actually required, and that it's best for smaller projects, maybe ranging between $5,000 and $25,000. Keep in mind that personal loans can be funded quickly, but they typically come with higher interest rates, and a 0% APR credit card can work as long as you pay it off within the promotional period. Just don't let high interest rates catch you off guard.
So how do you choose the best financing for your renovation? You have to ask yourself these key questions. How much do I need to borrow?
When you ask this question, think about whether you're doing a small project or a full house remodel.
How quickly do you need the funds?
If you need them quickly, HELOCs and personal loans are typically the fastest.
Do you want a fixed payment or a flexible payment?
Remember, home equity loans equals fixed payment, HELOC equals variable.
And am I okay using my home as collateral?
This is a great question because HELOCs and cash out refinances require this.
Every situation is different, so talk to your lender and your contractor to find out which option might be best for you.
Financing your home renovation does not need to be overwhelming. Whether you're using home equity, refinancing, or taking out a personal loan, the right financing plan can make your home renovation dream a reality without breaking the bank. If you're planning a home renovation here in Nassau County on Long Island and need expert advice, reach out to us. We'd love to help. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more construction and renovation tips. Let us know in the comments below. How are you planning to finance your next construction project? See you next time.